Welcome to MixMasters Bar and Beverage, where we teach you how to make craft cocktails at home. Full day in Atlanta. So we need to make a Atlanta cocktail. But what's the official Atlanta cocktail? No one can tell me. So who better to make a official, original Atlanta cocktail other than MixMasters? In order to really say Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, you got to start off with some peaches, right? Do about a quarter peach. We're gonna do some fresh peaches. We're gonna muddle those with some homemade rosemary syrup. If you know how to make simple syrup, add rosemary, same thing. Do about a half ounce of that. Just to mush around with those peaches. The rosemary brings that flavor out and sweetens up these peaches. Around this time of year, it's hard to find some peaches. This helps sweeten them up a little bit. Muddle that, and then we're gonna wake it up. It's gotta be nice and sunny because it's the South. Get a little lemon juice, about a half ounce of that. I've got some fresh juiced lemon juice, straight out of the juicer. Not just lemon juice, not squeezed lemon juice, juiced lemon juice for Atlanta. Now, Atlanta is a bougie, fancy city. So you're gonna have to start with a bougie, fancy spirit. Happen to have some cognac. And it's by a local guy by the name of Luda. Perfect for an Atlanta cocktail. We're gonna put an ounce of that in there. Right. Now, to really bring out those peaches, we're gonna put a little peach liqueur in there. If you got peach schnapps, any type of peach liqueur, it'll work. So it doesn't have to be Luda, and it doesn't have to be this local peach schnapps or peach liqueur, but you want cognac and a peach liqueur. I have one from Roswell, Georgia, the Blended Family peach liqueur, recommended to me by my buddy Renessa at World of Beverage. Do an ounce of that. All right. Now, what we're pretty much making is like an ATL sour. All right. So you're gonna want to make that frothy. So you're gonna need an egg white. All right, get your egg white. Split that up. Now, usually to do a sour, you want to do a dry shake, but I like to do a couple of cubes to help bang that yolk around a little bit. Shake that up. Get that frothy. We really want to bring that peach come through. Let that peach come through. Add a couple of drops of peach bitters. Now let's ice it down. With plenty of ice. Now I'm going to get the other tin so I can really shake it instead of the glass. Let's see if that's frothed up. Looks a little frothy. Now, we're gonna put it in a classic goblet, a little antique goblet. Same size as a martini glass. If you don't have one of these, just put it in a martini glass. But we're gonna drink this straight up. Because we're fancy. We're from Atlanta. It's the city of the South. That froth on there. Top it off with a little cinnamon, fresh cinnamon. Because it's fancy. This is a cocktail of the South. little sprig of rosemary to bring out that rosemary syrup that we put in. And if you got a little peach, drop that on there too. And then we have, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you the Atlantan. Or if you're from Atlanta, it's the Spodiodia, Dopalicious.